First of all, I would love to thank the admin of this group for giving me this privilege. Thank you, to admin my nilyon ato malum kaiza. Maksai, the churalo. Kam sui thage is the malum kai don zenga sanali. Thank you. I would love to thank all the admin members. Chuluzu I karai boga din khani I la dingwang tang lage dingwang tang lakbam da di nalion you understand to khalo choose you first ga I request to khani ye. Maksai I would love to thank Uchulung boy as well for trusting in me and then habo pot bi habo don zikho so no to di thank you. Set I let's go straight to topic. Topic direct ami khe. Thai nei agu topic ni sai marriage and its purpose. Marriage si dikanju sao new haibo marriage chubo collective bo cha si sao new dam khailo maksai sao new origin tu khaiblo sao new hai si order tu khaiblo chu sa aliu puim chamke si besai ga marriage go purpose paramba dikan lenglo hai marriage kabambo se dikan lenglo chu se aliu pui ke si besai ga haibo marriage nai pugu purpose fui loi besai ga aliu to ko women's role cha mapuim nungu role di puike sai first ga sound marriage dambulo who design marriage chubo se sound karai boga kambulo samai nanyo dambuma samai nan ha chakangke ha chu kamsa we ne chu chu put samai nanyo missing padguma chumak sai sound kambulo chubo si alio samai ke na si tang mage mai ke na si sound marriage si order kambulo chubo si chudis mai ke na si tang kamak bam si tang kamak mai di bam di suye chudi thaine aliu fuim chamke sawni hai aliu to kwai elaborate use up kyang na le pa za maksai de chura lo study kamam lage research kamam lage chibam da di sawni who design marriage cha sawni hai bo marriage chibusi design kambulo chibusi din khaini ye very obvious mathune sibam ta sibame god design it tingwang new marriage chibusi pani ordain thuwe sai purpose of marriage de kaleng haibo marriage se maksa de kaleng aliu migyang zlo de kaleng aliu family thu zlo chibo purpose si magnu to kwa youth maidung alu yang LIANGMAI youth maidung di chumaksa katam ozan maidung di misunderstanding cha misconception keng ba marriage lam gusi sai marriage se purpose aliu fuike I to quite point to kambam lage chudi brief to the summary zaiga marriage ko purpose din khani karai right the side man is incomplete cha mapyu mana khathu za akhang mana khathu za they are incomplete without woman peliusi de jiralo din simage incomplete changmagbo mapui mahasai senior man is incomplete without woman aliu bible ka fuwang sai my go theory katam theory bam ta lage chidi aliu bible ka fuike Genesis 2 ipabam lake pihyana Genesis 2:18-9-24 ga fui sai mapui mai tu dam khaibo masai mapui ma to introduce to aliu ngawe yo before that the aliu ngawe chudi thainaira to khwaira I verse khat pa khai ga tane Genesis 2:18 ga hachu dine I agu pronounce the misan lage chudi naliu ni palus you understand thu khailo Genesis 2:18 ga cha hachu dine situ you reputing wang new dine chamai na hai porona lungbosi wi mage patong kha khaira leng inyu kubui bo kha khat dam khaine pleng helper khat dam khaine je haga dingwang ni kidin bolat aliu ngawe ji sai naliu ni pakyu sai Genesis 18 ga 25 ko tang chu pakyu personal kanelu devotion ga di ne paswi chudi inu to khwai verse 23 ga di pakhani ye to khwai mapui mana tu de ganyu dampablo sai rip cha haga aleng si kisan ne tu pek ra cha agu rip mapiu mai go rip ga sum mapiu mai go tu pek ra cha panyu go rip ga sunyu khwai palu ni mapui ma tu damme chuwe chu sai it's very obvious men are stronger cha mapiu manu tanjange physically mapiu manu tanjange kanlo chu sai de churalo I elaborate kam simage judi haga phuibo tinga mapiu mara ga nyu khat khobal nyu siga nyu mapui mo ra kamlu ju tingwang nyu mapui ma khat to kam khaye just like physically guys are stronger and ladies are mapui mai se mai piu mai to khara ne pugu helmet thura ne tingwan yu dam khaye chubo tinga ali mapui mai to helmet chubo tinga ato arona inferior ka thibo sembo agu role seme chubo meaning bam ta lage sikumbo thoughts di wange o aliu mai pui mai tu damu tinga adam raga su mapiu mai raga su khwai palo ne tingwan yu kamme tingwan le aliu to sep chalo design kamla ne chubo tinga chu sai aliu ra inferior being cha aliu ra semme chubo lungchun ba me chudi chuma boy guys is incomplete panyu ra phangla ma ka thena panyu go helmet phangla ma ka thena paliura pumtan haye sonne chubo se dingkhai ni so it's not that guys is stronger and ladies is weaker chubo wa hai equally chudi physically form tinga pumtan phuwang mo tinga mapiu manyo tanjange chusanang matthew se everybody is equal tingwang migra chara migra aliu machame chudi physical form tinga mapiu manyo tanne chubo se aliu ngopale weaker visual physically to side to aliu new haibo if to damlu you if to adam masanga khwang bodinga adam yu hachu dinne pa new sibo to pegra gasu to khwai Genesis 2:22 ga fuisai pa new sibo to pegra gasum pui mai khat damlu yu pakhu ga patu malwang wang khaibi ye sibo sai ga hachu 23 ga dine siga chamai na sinyu dine chamai na chibo rawe adam tuwe chamai na sinyu dine kanam boga haiga azat khat bame sarasi aragasu khadi tatiasi atiagasum pui mai choose you pajansi ku ne palamra pahai piu mai khugasu patra patbowe choose you adam new dimbula anyun chuwe chusa naliu nu puiswe nu personal study ga aronang the chira lo personal study kambuti ga effective to diange sidon jenga so I would love to encourage that nang narona nagu bible study kamlo chu ding khani chusai the kwa aliu helmet chubulanga aliu foi mine chusai crown to khwai crown chuwang nyu pnyu pi ga khaibo pirun za crown se pugu gold pugu silver maksai pugu color hasai it's incomplete ngosai cha sikumja ali mai pui mai se we are a diamond maksai ruby aliu se precious stone ne we crown go chudi sidon jeng so mapiu manyo let's say guy is crown and then we are that gold that silver cha that diamond we diamond se crown go fixed to kai maksai that crown is still incomplete sikumja guys is still incomplete my piu my incomplete thubam khai mapui my hasai chu je ding khai ni to khwai sai aliunyo procreation second reason ga first reason ga fui sai my pui my se mapium dung helmet leng tingwan yu dam khai second sai procreation samai na to multiply thiraning cha nge nang lung ju samai na chira lo procreation samai kengju kidi piri ga population kengju tingwang kendi ka madira leng tingwang to kohumra leng chu procreation leng chu high second reason de Genesis 1:28 ga fui sai cde pawam lake Genesis 1:28 ga liu fui ke Genesis 1:28 ka sai hachi zedine that I give that man or that human are to reproduce cha where is 18 Genesis 1:18 ga sai sichu junen saumagju mowang bamra tamyu boga so isima gedika pabamlo okay let's just skip that just say the when you say role of a wife fukelyo Genesis 1:28 I'm sorry kuluga wang like procreation chamai na to dam the reason of marriage sha first kasi that is just introduction first kasi procreation to kwai Genesis 1:28 ka fuisa paliu tu thoi khai ju din ne chrani din ne nakhai naki chanugu generation kengju lunglo chichu ju nakai nakikdung sinyu kadi piri thinjiu lungrabowe inyu natuwa khau hi nang riga cha thwai haga alungawe Genesis 1:28 ga that be multiply and then take care of the world, so take care of this earth, take care of my creation chu bo tingwan yu kidin bo alungawe so sai the khwai role of a wife alu direct take direct mapui ma gu rules cha marriage ga mapui ma rules sima sa chra ki ga kidi piri ga mapui mudung gu role alu fui ke mapui mai se backbone of a house cha the khwai backbone chu bo ga haira just figurative speech le the khwai the chu bo how can we women cha ali mapui ma khathuza ali mapui ma khathuza ali ma khathuza family ga they choose you backbone tiralo chu sai in prayer cha prayer ga we have to have a closet of prayer nugu role it's not that family prayer ga ron ka khengti bo mage chudi mapui ma khathuza mapui mai let's say mapui mai khathuza ka khengti bo ga khara ta ye family ga ka khengti bo se contribute the chura D.Th boy nangnu nugu advice bi mabam dati nangne sensalan family ga khawang mabam dati chumak sai katam bo the chura lo luxurious life mapiu mai kumja nang phongwang mabam dati family ga nangnu the chura para thu zap chaplu bui ke khengbo ga to khwai chamai keng na nyu ke khengti was kungwe ke khengti was mala we chamai keng na chamai zu thu za ke khengti was mala we ju dingre ne ju di chuma we ke khengti was malai ta we alung chun ga ne khengti bo dinga alung chun tingwang kanga alung chun pangza tingwang kanga haisi iluni we haisi agu request le chuza I dingwang tinga malai ta we so prayer is really a hard task ya chudi ali mai pui mai khathuza ka khengti buga backbone thu zabam sai tingwang ra dichira lo prayerful woman is a dangerous woman juwe prayerful is a dangerous woman kan lo ju sai she has connection with the one who holds the world mapui me se khengti buga tingwang kanga pugu relationship with tip me sai danger to chang thu we it can really break any problem it can bring great changes into a family ja senior prayer ga alio backbone to the prayer ga alio family to the chalo tunbam ke masa pillar to bam ke chu ding khani sai second ga submissive chu botinga haibo latking botinga samai ke na kong sang konge chudi nang new tingwang kanga nugu relationship we sai nang mapui ma khathuzi aliu ma khathuzi nang new tingwang kanga masai if you have right relationship with God cha tingwang kanga nang relationship nugu relationship sa mzi sai nang nakina to submissive thuran sa mala pa boy dekan lo chi sai nang tingwang kanga na ring ting submissive thu butinga o lungka sabo se submissive thu kathi bo se automatically pamira boy sidon denga submissive thu ge chubo dingkhani ye haibo la kenglo za as ira akina hanga bamra boy chubu mawe si chubu mawe khakha ta submissive thu ra boy akina di submissive thu mapi mti kha submissive aliu ma di submissive thu chu lungra ta boy chudi mapui mai to especially submissive thu lo chubra aliu helmet le at the end of the day nai nang nakina nai decision lo botinga final decision ra panalura ta boy aliu mai khatiju yo nugu suggestion se pani luwe nugu suggestion se finalize to ne chu nakina ne lu mi sai we de chudi kdibo major decision cha ai kdibo decision klu botinga na de churalo nakina nya haisen the finally chu den rata boisika aliu submissive to rata e she said that is how we submit to our husband chu sai to khwai thar go sai comforter encourager cha comforter chu sai keng kha katam din lubuye chudi comforter chu butinga panyo maning khailo family ga panyo paki ga se pato comfort ma sai paki ga pato accept ma sai mapiu mai paki ga pato nangni pato unconditionally lungsa mak sai pa de choose you kamalam tapaluju on the chalo power strength bamralo ja paki ga chaki ga pato nangni pugu weakness pikyang na se wa mak sai de choose you waralo pa de choose hura lo chublale I ne kedimra sidon jeng so to kwai pugu weakness kama bohina accept to lose puto encourage pilo comfort pilo pani discourage is a mind puto oxalan respect ma juang dati nang ski ga respect pilo oxalan puto mind puto seba kamoi ma dati nang ski lamong seba kamuilo family chaki ga nang yo kam khai bo result sa kamalam para boy sidon jeng so aliu mai pui mai khatizu aliu mai khatizu aliu go roll ka di bo ba me chi ju ding khani decide chubo dibo kumjo to khwai haisero nange role of a wife keng ba me cha chu di sumra na ding khai ne prayer submissive and be an encourager or be a comforter cha be a peacemaker or yo chu ding khai ni decide to khwai chu di like I said included the meaning if you can't have or if you don't have right relationship with God cha nagu beauty nang ni kam kasibo nagu nang ni aliwi ju ka bambo nang nagu kam sibam dadi wahi na talen bam dadi it'll be in vain wahi na se it's in vanity pegeng hae cha pegeng hae nang ni cha to simang sai chu ding khani ta khwai ni sai Proverbs 31:30 ga fui sai aliu ni ngawe Matthew sibame charm is deceitful deceptive beauty is fleeting but only the lady that fear the Lord is deserve or she only a lady that fear the Lord deserve to be praised or deserve to be recognized ja sai to kwai Proverbs gadi aliu ni ngawe ipabam lage chudi siga Proverbs 31:30 ga fui sai aliu ni ngom sa sak jingawe that how much fearing God is important tingwang to sibo sra to sibora de jiu ka pegeng mamlo chu alu sie chu sai to kwara loyong kene last gading khalani ye role of a wife gu kumme chu di ina ding khani bura just point back you ne how to be a good wife or a good girlfriend cha how to be a good wife or girlfriend okay let's forget a girlfriend that is not the topic here cha chu di how to be a good wife be there for him at his failing moment or at his worst moment cha panyo fail to the let's say nakina se football lam interest ba me panyo wi lam football lam interest ba ju chudi panyo pa talented thue pajan tale chudi last ka there's moment ba me chubo I ngam rating di ba me ngam kama boting ba me ngam ma ji wang boting ga be there for him encourage him but discourage him na hachiman don't give advice just be there for him at his worst moment ja so second is accept his weakness Pogo kusonbo se accept lo if you cannot ira simake if you cannot nang ne pogo kusonbo se accepting am laksai nang nagulong ko sabo se questionable thiwe do you really love him nang pogo weakness se accept him asra you can question do I really love him chubo se third ga defend him pogo ko sabo se expose him ane chudi defend him cha nang new correction kam ni sai correct him personally in a room correct him when the night run nagabambo tinga chudi my maga kamanga mani but you have to defend him pato baira boy pato gomra boy pato kera boy number 4 gani sai keep him in prayer this is the most strongest point alengra keep him in prayer nang new nakamatsang nakina zan khalo je tingwang kanga pi khailo chu sai God will protect him in all his ways ka keep him in prayer chu sai okay this is very silly one but get dressed for him ali mai pui ma khathiu I marriage I to kwara kale thimine apon thulane style kamlane guys are still attracted even after marriage to a good looks ja get dressed for him get beautiful for him go dress up go do makeup all those things for him ja so the number 6 ga respect him but also kwangkulo my pumara they rather feel unloved than being unrespected pelura to respect people ne punu neng gengyange they feel more good when they are respected cha so ne punu respect pilo pato long sai jo respect pima respect nai long sa bo se differentiate to silo jo pato respect pilo ju sai I believe you will have a healthy marriage the same include the mokom jo automatically naturally pato long sa bo si long kumira boy nang pogo weakest point si accept you sai don't be blind in love cha open your eyes and pugu accept pugu kasabap kyang na accept to lose pugu flaws pugu weakness accept to lose puto lungsara kamlo lungkasabo se automatically pamira boy chudi khakhagu weakness se I accept you ng kalabo bamboy sikumbo weakness na accept to lumi sai you have love him to the fullest to the khani hai sir na nge sai isimage na liu haibo ga su gengma bo bamba chudi ka gang bo bam sai khwalu jo apply to kam ke idi din ba me chudi I'm still in the process yeah I'm not perfect and then I'm not in position hakum modun radi bui makhabui chudi inyo kasibo agu knowledge ga kasibo theory ga kasibo nili mutu ka ngasya kam khai ne chu sya kam khai boy thank you de may God bless everyone